Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back day 9. Connecticut Senator Chris Murphy did an incredible live this evening. And one of the things he said is one of our biggest powers is making noise. So I know you think that your members of Congress and senators should be doing more. And there are more things to do, but we cannot discount the noise. He said that back in 2017, our noise is what saved Obamacare. And it is what will save the country. Senator Lisa Blunt Rochester of Delaware announced she will not be voting for any more of DT's nominees. I wish she had announced this sooner, but better late than never. Senator Chris Van Hollen of Maryland spoke at not one, but 2 press conferences today. The first was a press conference on public education. This was not covered by anyone but C-SPAN. According to Ezra Levin, co-founder of Indivisible, the no one elected Elon rally at the Treasury Department was created on Sunday. And no politicians signed on immediately. But because of the outcry from us, from Indivisible, from Move On, and from Working Families Party, they couldn't get on board fast enough. And in the end, over 1,000 people attended with 33 speakers. Not every elected official who attended was able to speak, but a lot of them who weren't still posted videos on their social media. Melanie Stansbury, New Mexico 1, and Sydney Kemlager Dove, California 37, spoke and posted videos. But the likes of Gabe Amo, Rhode Island 1, and Veronica Escobar of Texas 16 just posted videos without speaking, because there were so many speakers. They don't even all fit in one Threads post. And finally, Tina Smith, who is absolutely one of my favorite senators, posted this amazing video. There was so much noise made by so many Democrats today. So don't let anyone tell you they're not doing the work. But also know it wouldn't happen without you. If you're calling your elected officials and you can't get through, that's because the system cannot hold the amount of people that are calling. Jess Cravens has a contact on the Hill who said it's typically 30 to 50 calls an hour in the system. But it's now between 1,200 and 1,500, which is still nowhere near where it should be. But our elected officials are listening. This is the proof of that. Your voice is your superpower, but only when you use it.